What's going on, peoples? And doing the other item that came is the SUNAPEX battery smart battery box. So, but I forgot to obviously start it with the recording, but I already opened it. But this is my Ozak trail blade. Again, budget friendly, no more than 10 bucks, 15 bucks. Paracord wrapped, serrated, and I got a shop in it. Had this for a few years now, but it comes with a cool nice little holder. Okay, let's check this bad battery out. On. So it comes all packaged, all plastic wrap, so that's nice. That's cool. Comes with extra fuses. Strap the cover down. Info and instructions. That's cool. The wires are very quality, thick gauge, so that's good. Yeah, those terminals are gonna go inside. Those will hook up to your battery when you put it in. So this is what it is. SUNAPEX, sorry, smart battery box. Here's what it comes with. So you can read that. Multiple charging outlets. Anderson connectors. LED light. Flex rope. Filter cotton, so to keep the dust on both sides, which is probably talking about that stuff. And you got these other connectors right here, so I'm not gonna read it all off individually. I'm pretty sure you guys can do that yourselves. So, but yeah, that's the digital input reader to tell you what your percentage is. These are your cell phone and tablet stuff. Car lighter for that. You have those adapters. Yeah, some very sturdy handles. So yeah, this is gonna be awesome in the canoe or the American Sun Dolphin, or little John boat, whatever, same thing. But I'm pretty sure that these are the Anderson side adapters. So instead of hooking the trolling motor up to this, if you have the quick attachments for the Anderson clips, so you can just plug right in there, because those will be connected to your battery inside. And that's what I'm waiting on now, is the battery and charger. So, but yeah, SUNAPEX smart battery box. So big plus on that. That's really cool. Give you the extra fuses in case one of this stuff goes out. You have to take the cover off and install them, but hopefully that will never happen. There's something else I wanted to check out. Something about a fuse. Oh, 16 amp overload switch. There we go. And you can read all that stuff on the right. Installation and charge. So cool. Awesome. Taking this out next week soon enough.